Hello everyone. Today we have average problem number 1. In this problem, average of 41 consecutive odd numbers is given and we want to find the largest number. This type of problems are asked in competitive exams like Bank PO, CAT, MAT, MBA, MCA, SSC, Railway exam, UPSC, etc. So today I am going to explain how to solve this type of problems. Let's start. The average of 41 consecutive odd numbers is 49. What is the largest number? Four options are given: 95, 93, 91 and 89. So here we have given the average of 41 consecutive odd numbers. Now middle term. Middle term is equal to 21st term because we have 41 consecutive numbers. So then middle term is 21st term, and this is equal to 49 because 49 is our average. So middle term is 49. Therefore 41st term, this is equal to 49 plus 20 into 2 because 20 terms are remaining after 21st term. So this is equal to 49 plus 40 and this is equal to 89. So 89 is our answer. It means option D is the correct option. I hope you enjoyed today's video. For more such type of questions, there are the links in the description. Tomorrow I will be uploading next video. So please hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you.